Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you Yale 3+3 safe lock. Two turns. This is how the key looks like. And this is Prodecoder Automatic Yale safe 3+3. Two small handles, turbo wheel, tension wheel, two cassettes. Each cassette has 3+3 pins. To reset, go fully to the right with the reset tool provided within the box, and with the turbo wheel all the way to the right, you push down all 6 pins. In the box you will also find 3 spare pins. Sorry, not 3, 6 spare pins. There is a special cut here in order to insert it. You insert with the pins corresponding to the lock tongue. You will see that it does not stay in 90 degrees, so you simply hold it, tension to the right until the first return, release. Give it some time for the pins to adjust. Medium tension, don't forget, it's not meant to be a force tool, so we don't want to force it. Then progressively towards the second. And now with the second turn I can simply extract the tool. This is the first coat, first combination. It's a perfect match. Now don't forget you have inside this box universal card reader with which you can read the code, write it down, which will be easier later for the making of the duplicate key. Now fully to the right again. Second turn. Progressively, first until the first stop point logically, then you increase the pumpings. Now I cannot extract the tool, this is the same as the key, so you adjust here the turbo wheel. It's very important how you manage to open it, so that you can have the perfect height of the height of the pins, because look at it, whenever I turn it they grow. So if I'm here I can do it. If I go here I cannot turn it. So play around with the turbo wheel whenever you want to make the turn. Now I'm in the middle. I want to return the lock in fully locked position, so I will reset it once again. Now I will insert the tool on the opposite side and I will fully lock the Yale safe. And that's it. Prodecoder Automatic Yale safe 3 plus 3. Thanks for watching.